Hello my besties and Amaras, welcome back to another episode of Painting with TSMA Pangalia, and welcome to the Sexy Music Assassins official YouTube channel. And if you are new watching this video, please don't forget to hit that like button, share and comment below, and please don't forget to subscribe. So in today's episode, we are going to do a flip cup. And before we start, please don't forget to follow all my TSMA family honest meal, starting with all the citizens of the Sexy Music Assassins or TSMA, alright, down to all the administrators or admins of TSMA. So let's do this. So my besties and Amoras, flip cup is one of the most popular and all-time favorites for acrylic pourers of all skill levels. So it is a simple example of a dirty pour, which describes any pour in which you put all the colors together in a cup before pouring them onto the canvas. So all you have to do here is layer your colors like what I'm doing here. Layer all your colors in your cup, any colors that you want, and just flip it. So when you already have all the recipes, all right, all your paints, and you can also add silicons, all right, the silicone oil. Then just combine all your paints with your chosen pouring medium. I use the Fluitrol, alright, and paint additives. So just mix each color. You can do it in a separate cup, but I just pour it all in a cup, alright. So layer the paints into another cup if you want to. Just keep in mind that the first color you pour into the bottom of the cup will become the color on the top of the cup when you flip it. So let's flip this one. So place the canvas face down on top of your cup, keeping the cup in the center of your canvas. So holding the back of the canvas so that the opening of the cup is sealed. Flip the canvas, alright, and the cup back over so that the cup is upside down like this, alright. So the cup is upside down on the canvas. So let the cup sit on the canvas for approximately 1 minute or 2 until the paint has settled. So let us wait. Alright. So I would like you to let me know what your thoughts are regarding this technique. It's called flip cup. Let me know in the comments section below. So while waiting, just make sure that the cup is centered, alright? Alright, look at this one. Just make sure that it is centered. Look at the cells, so beautiful already. See the side of the cup? Wow, beautiful colors. There you go. Make sure it's centered, alright? And lift the cup off the canvas, letting the paint pour out. There you go. And then after this, you have to tilt the canvas in various directions until it is completely covered with paint. And just guide your paint. There you go. That is so beautiful. And look at the cells. Wow. Beautiful. Just guide it, alright? This, when you're guiding it, just hold on the edge of the canvas and then just gently tilt it until the paint will cover the four corners of the canvas. There you go. And if you're new watching this video, please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, alright, if you like the video. But if you don't like the video, then it's okay. Go ahead and push the thumbs down. Also, please don't forget to comment below and don't forget to subscribe, alright? There you go. And if you have like excess paint inside the cup, alright, the remaining paint, just go ahead and pour it on the empty spaces, like the corners of the canvas. Again, gently tilt it, alright? There you go. There you go. It's beautiful, beautiful. Just guide the paint, alright? And make sure that you save all the paint that went to the plastic. You can always use that for your next painting masterpiece. There you go. So once complete, you have to set the painting on a level drying area. I say that let the paint dry for at least a week or two. Alright. Then clean off any silicone if needed. And you can seal it with your favorite varnish. Alright. So what I'm doing here, just make use of the excess paint from the cup and just do your thing, like put an extra like art or design it. There you go, just like what I did on here. See the silicones and the colors we picked, so beautiful. Wow, I love it so much. So what you need, the paint pouring, the acrylic paints, alright, that I will be including in the description below, so check out all the links, alright? And you can use any pouring medium of your choice. Of course, silicone and other paint additives of your choice. And of course, the canvas. And by removing the bubbles, use the heat gun, alright? So again, you'll want to wait at least a week or two for your paint to dry and cure. So now that your pour is complete, it is important to ensure that it dries safely and is sealed. Alright? So this is the final painting look, alright? I will see you all next time, and thank you all so much for watching the Sexy Music Assassins official YouTube channel And thank you all so much for watching Painting with TSMA Pagilio. And don't forget to subscribe, alright? I love you all so much. We, the Sexy Music Assassins, love you all so, so much. And have a blessed day. God bless you all. Thank you so much for watching.